top 3D software for CNC. Fusion 360, this is a comprehensive 3D CAD/CAM software that is well suited for CNC milling and turning. It has a range of tools for creating and editing 3D models, as well as a powerful CAM system that can generate G-code for CNC machines. Autodesk HSM, this is a suite of CAM tools that integrates with Fusion 360, offering advanced features for CNC milling, turning, and drilling. Inventor HSM, this is a CAM software from Autodesk that is specifically designed for use with the Inventor 3D CAD software. It includes a range of tools for CNC milling, turning, and drilling. Mastercam, this is a comprehensive CAM software that is widely used for CNC programming, offering a range of tools for milling, turning, drilling, and wire EDM. SolidWorks CAM, this is a CAM solution that integrates with the SolidWorks 3D CAD software, offering a range of tools for CNC milling, turning, and drilling.